Hey Floralpreneurs, I know there are a lot of floral workshops that you can choose from right now, so I want to tell you what makes this one different. First of all, you will not be standing on your feet in a warehouse all day with nothing but pizza and junk food. You won't be listening to paid advertisers as part of the programming, and you won't be watching Instagram famous designers who can't actually speak to the design elements and principles that they're employing. And yes, all of that has happened to me. So when you join us, you're going to get a balance of sustainable design mechanics and business tips you can use right away. All of your meals will be chef prepared and included. You're going to learn in a small group to get personalized attention and feedback and enjoy an inclusive environment for florists and flower farmers of all levels. Introducing the Floralpreneur Workshop, April 14th through 16th. Join Hitomi Gilliam, Francois Weeks, Phoebe Higgins, and myself, Alison Ellis, at the Inn at the Round Barn Farm in Waitsfield, Vermont. We cannot wait to welcome you here. I want to really encourage you to jump on this invitation to join us to level up your design skills and your business confidence because there are only 20 seats. We're going to have a lot of fun and you can learn more at realflowerbusiness.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.